Hi dear students, welcome to online education program. Today in this session we are discussed various methods of index number with problems and solutions. So index number, the theoretical information you already explained. So various methods, so methods of index number. So basically we classified into two categories. So that is, one is simple index number, and weighted index number. So two classification of index number, that is a simple index number and a weighted index number. Simple, the word is indicated the simple, so very simple for calculation of this type of index number, simple index number, and another one is weighted index number. So in simple index number, again we classified into two types of categories. So that is, call it as simple aggregative method, simple aggregative method, and simple average of price relative method. So under this simple aggregative method, so that is only one type of method which can be identified. So index number equals sigma p1 divided by sigma p0 into 100. So p nothing but a current year value or present value divided by previous year value or the base year value. So sigma for summation of present year value divided by summation of previous year value into 100. So we will get so simple aggregative method of index number. In case of simple average price relatives methods, here it can be classified into three categories. So under that, arithmetic mean method, geometric mean method, and median method. So arithmetic mean method we can calculate. So that is based on that certain formula we yesterday discussed. So index number equals sigma p divided by n. N is number of items. So sigma p is nothing but the p is nothing but here p is nothing but sigma p1 divided by p0 into 100. That is the present value divided by base year value into 100. So we will get p. So it is summation of p divided by number of items, will get so arithmetic mean of index number. So geometric mean index number equals anti-log of sigma log p divided by n. Sigma log p divided by n will get so what is the index number under geometric mean. So here log p nothing but that is a p is nothing but a same thing, p equals previous current year value divided by previous year value or base year, so into 100. So we will get a p. So with multiplication with the log value, then take the summation of log p divided by n. So with anti-log calculations we will get the index number under geometric mean. So for median, so that is n plus 1 divided by tooth value is nothing but median under arithmetic. What is that? Simple average price relatives index method. So this is simple index method. We already discussed it in the previous session with various case studies and problems. Now today we are going to discuss the weighted index method. So under weighted index method, again we can be classified in the different methods. So that is weighted index method. Here weighted aggregative weighted aggregative methods, weighted aggregative methods. Here weighted average of price relative methods. So, like that it can be weighted index number, it can be classified in two methods, that is a weighted aggregative method and weighted average of price relatives method. So, again under aggregative method, here it can be classified into various methods given by the various the statisticians or the mathematicians, that is under that Laspier's method, Postier's method, then Fisher's method, then Marshall and Edgeworth method. Then, so according to your syllabus, these four are included. So, in addition of that, so it is also included in Darwin's method, and also the Kale's method. So, according to your syllabus, these four are very important. That is called it as Laspier's method, Postier's method, Fisher method, and Marshall and Edwards method. These four are very important according to your syllabus. So, you have to any case studies or questions will be raised based on these four methods. So, in addition of this, it is also included in the method of weighted aggregative methods. So, you have to focus on these four methods. So, previous class we already discussed the Laspier's method, Postier's method and Fisher index method. Now, we are going to discuss so Marshall and Edwards method. So, that is under weighted aggregative method. Comes to here weighted average of price relatives index. So, under that, so here two methods it can be raised, that is nothing but AM method, that is called as arithmetic method, and also the geometric mean method, and geometric mean method. So, here the formula can be identified here for the arithmetic mean. So, 0 naught 1 P naught 1 equals sigma P divided by W divided by sigma W. Then for geometric mean index number equals anti-log of sigma log P into W weights divided by N divided by sigma W. So, here what is the P? P is nothing but same thing, P1 divided by P0 into 100, P1 divided by P0 into 100, and W equals so that is the weights. So, W equals P0 into Q0. P0 into Q0 it is indicated as a W. So, summation of what is that weights and summation of P into weights, then we will get arithmetic mean of index number. Geometric mean of index number, that is anti-log of summation of log P divided into weights divided by summation of weights. So, here also same thing. So, P equals P1 divided by P0 into 100, and WI equals PQ, that is P0 into Q0. So, based on that it can be calculated what is the weighted average of a price relatives index method. So, these are all various methods. Now, we are going to discuss so this the refreshing of these three methods, and we will discuss some cases in Marshall and Edwards method. After that, we are going to discuss this weighted average of price relatives methods.